ओके गाइस, तो हम लोग जो है अपनी लोकेशन पे पहुंच चुके हैं। दिस लोकेशन लुक्स सुपर डुपर नाइस। सो अगर आप लोग देखोगे बिल्कुल जंगल के बीचों बीच जो है हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं और यहाँ पर आप लोगों को जो गाड़ियाँ देखने को मिलने वाली, देन अगेन दिस इज़ अ स्कॉर्पियो। अपनी गाड़ी जो है यहाँ पर पार्क हो रखी है। एंड अगेन हम लोगों का जो केरला वाला पूरा ये प्लानिंग था, दिस वॉज प्लान बाय अश्विन भाई। तो अश्विन भाई ने बहुत सारे लोग रिकमेंड किए, जिनमें से एक हमारे ब्रदर भी है। एक बार कैसे ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू?
All good.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Fahad, Mohammed Fahad.
और ब्रदर व्हाट डू यू डू, व्हाई वी आर हियर, पहले ये बताओ सबसे पहले आप।
I'm a doctor. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor, pediatrician.
Okay.
I work in the government hospital here in Malappuram district. So that is about my profession
ओके
and about my passion. This is my passion. This thing. This Jeep is my passion.
ओके
And I do off-roading. I do the competitive off-roading thing. We do trails. And currently I'm planning to go for the Rainforest Challenge of 2021.
very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
My vehicle is being prepared.
Okay.
And this is the one I use for the local tracks.
वेरी नाइस।
For the local events. So I just want to talk about off-roading. That is what I am. And
I'm going to show also how to
Sure,
off-road,
sure,
yeah, right?
I'll be showing. I'll be demonstrating what all I have inside my Jeep and all.
परफेक्ट। सो गाइज आप लोगों को मैंने सर से ऑलरेडी मिलवा दिया। सो वी हैव अनदर गाय। सो क्या नाम है आपका?
Hi, my name is Amir Bensi.
हम हिंदी से बात कर सकते हैं?
Yeah,
नॉर्मल छोटा भी चलेगा? चलेगा ना? ओके परफेक्ट। सो अगेन आई लाइक टू मीट श्रीराज, हु इज श्रीराज। ओके, सो अश्विन गेव मी हिज रेफरेंस एंड अगर आज हम लोग सब प्लान कर रहे हैं तो इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ श्रीराज एंड अश्विन भाई। तो श्रीराज भाई, हाउ आर यू?
Yeah, good.
हिंदी गुड?
Thoda.
थोड़ा चलो चलेगा। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Clint.
क्लीन, ओके। आपका नाम? व्हाट्स योर नेम? विष्णु भाई। और वो जा रहे हैं। व्हाट्स योर नेम? उमर, ओके। व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रदर? राजीव भाई, ओके। जोमोन।
And it's actually
भाई इज आल्सो विद अस? भाई भी अपने साथ है? भाई इज आल्सो विद अस? ओके। So this is Meteor, new bike? This is new bike. What's your name?
my name is Yusuf.
Okay. What's your name?
Yunus. Shahjahan.
Okay. So one is Duke and another is Thunderbird. Okay. So guys, आप लोगों ने देखा कि अभी हम लोग जो है पूरा ट्रैक का प्लान कर रहे हैं। इट्स ऑल अबाउट द ऑफ रोडिंग। सो थोड़ा सा आज सीख भी लेंगे कि कैसे ऑफ रोडिंग होता है, कैसे क्या क्या चीज़ों का पूरा जो है तालमेल पूरा बैठेगा। सो कहाँ का प्लान है, मतलब वे आर यू टेकिंग अस?
Actually, this is my private estate.
ओके,
And we'll take you inside. We have got some good spots inside. We'll take
वेरी
you
नाइस।
inside.
सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर इट। इसको नहीं लेके जा सकते, इसके अंदर कोई टायर भी नहीं है। अभी ये दिस कार सपोज टू गो टू त्रिशूर एंड कोची। उसके बाद अगर कोई दिक्कत आता फिर चलेगा, लेकिन तब तक
No, we don't want to take any risk.
ओके।
We don't want to
सो
take
वी आर पार्किंग आवर कार हियर। और हम किससे चलने वाले?
these two cars.
Okay.
Scorpio and Fortuner.
ओके, सो गुड टू गो, लेट्स लीव। ओके गाइस, तो नाउ वी आर लीविंग फॉर दी ऑफ रोडिंग वाला अपना जो जोन है, उसके लिए हम लोग निकलने वाले हैं। विशाल भाई जो है वो थोड़ा सा बिहाइंड द सीन जो है शूट कर लेंगे एंड वी आर ऑल सेट टू लीव। सबसे पहले जब हम लोग जीप के अंदर बैठने वाले हैं, भाई व्हाट इज दिस? पहले तो ये बताओ।
That is an air tank.
Okay.
My lockers work on air.
Okay.
And also have fiddle brakes
Okay.
which work on air.
What are the fiddle brakes?
Fiddle
थोड़ा
brakes.
easy.
Fiddle brakes means fiddle brakes is a technical term.
Okay.
Actually, JCB देखा है ना आपने?
ठीक है।
In a JCB to turn, they brake the individual brakes.
Okay.
To turn left, they brake the left wheel.
Very nice.
So I have taken the same mechanism in this thing that works on air.
Very nice.
I have converted the rear one to disc brakes.
Okay.
And one caliper is meant for this thing, and the other caliper for the main brake.
Very nice. So I guess we are all set to leave and this is how the car looks like and we'll have a more word about it कि कैसा जो है पूरा कार रहने वाला है। तो मैं इसके अंदर बैठ जाता हूँ। तो अपनी गाड़ी में पूरा रोल केज लगा हुआ है।
हाँ, पूरा रोल केज।
चलो। तो
let it go. The roll is not over. Now you take the seat belt.
seat belts done because when you are in an off-roading car, of course, you need to take care of many things. We have the dash cam also, the reverse camera also. Very nice.
It's also recording the front.
Very nice. So how long you been doing this thing?
I've been doing off-roading since 2015.
2015. Now it's a kind of like passion. You're doing, living your passion, huh?
Yeah, sure. it's like living my passion. Actually, I was fond of 4x4s since I was a child.
Okay.
I learned of driving in a jeep.
Okay.
Means our place is this is something like a rural place.
Okay.
My area.
Okay.
So and my father was like he was having some property and all rubber. We were having rubber estates and all.
Okay.
So he used to take us to the rubber estates in the jeep.
Okay.
And the roads were not like this. It was tough, very tough to travel. Only jeeps would have gone there. Actually, you will be the first one taking a car here.
अच्छा. Very nice.
We never use a car here. We can't bring a car here. It's not that easy.
Okay.
So I have started this thing since my childhood. This is in my blood.
वेरी नाइस. एंड मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पर जितने भी आप लोग अगर पेड़ देखोगे तो उनमें आपको रबर जो है
Rubber है, rubber.
रबर है उसका.
Our main income is rubber.
और जैसा आपको पता है कि केरला इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, this is the rural part of Kerala.
Okay.
And actually, in videos and all, people might have watched the lake parts,
Okay.
water bodies.
Right.
Water bodies of Kerala is the most famous thing.
Okay.
And this part, actually, I think this is the driest part.
This is the driest part, right? This looks really insane, and this is how the Jeep looks like. So, is this a wheelie or something?
No, this is CJ 500.
Okay, this is CJ 500.
This is
Okay.
my 1994 model CJ 500.
Okay. And this, how many gears come in this?
Actually, in the base, the factory version, they had only 3 gears.
3 gears, right.
I have changed the gearbox. This is a KMT90 gearbox from a 540.
Okay. Very nice.
It's too dusty here.
Yeah, it's too dusty on. But again, I am also a very big fan of Gypsy also and the car also. So I really get a privilege to get a taste of off-roading in especially Kerala. And actually, it's a total fun.
You would have enjoyed it more if you come in monsoon.
Okay.
In monsoon, we can't drive this easy on these roads.
Okay.
It will be all wet and full of slush.
Okay.
So we have put the waste from the quarries here.
Okay.
From the you know what quarry
Yeah,
is,
yeah,
right?
I know.
We have put the whole waste of quarry here to make it motorable.
Okay.
That's it.
Very nice. So the view looks very perfect. And again, जितना मजा आ सकता है उतना मजा आपको दिखा रहे हैं. It feels really nice. तो हमारा ऑफ-रोडिंग वाला जो पार्ट है that already started. Very nice. So इससे पहले इस वाले ट्रैक में आप आए हो? You have
Yeah.
you were driving earlier also on the same track.
Yeah, on this one.
Yeah.
This is my regular track. This is my own property. I used to come here.
For lots of people this is the off-roading.
Yeah, no. This is not off-roading.
Okay.
We do have different technical tracks.
Okay.
This is the simplest one.
Okay.
We don't even engage 4x4 here.
Yeah, right. आप लोगों ने अभी कुछ स्पार्कलिंग जो शॉट्स थे वो आप लोगों ने आई होप कि एंजॉय किए होंगे। तो अगेन मैं चाहूँगा एक बार अपना नाम फिर से बताइए।
Fahad, Mohammed Fahad.
मोहम्मद भाई जो है हमारे साथ है, हमारे भाई दूसरे
राजीव.
राजीव भाई हमारे साथ है। सो सबसे पहली चीज़ जो सबसे मतलब कहते हैं ना कि एक गाड़ी के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्यार होता है, एंड अगेन व्हेन यू आर लिविंग योर पैशन, तो उससे बढ़कर कोई चीज़ नहीं होता। सो अबाउट दिस व्हीकल कैसा फीलिंग है, क्या क्या इसके ऊपर करवा दिया है, एंड अगेन आई विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट द कॉस्टिंग ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि पैशन के लिए कॉस्टिंग का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है। तो क्या क्या मॉड्स है इसके ऊपर एक बार आप थोड़ा सा बताइए। ट्राई टू स्पीक इन हिंदी, क्योंकि लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर वाचिंग यू फ्रॉम मतलब हिंदी वाला उससे, तो उनको पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंचना चाहिए।
Hindi, I'm too weak in Hindi.
जैसा आपको मन करे, ग्रामर विल अरेंज, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन आप कोशिश करो, बाकी आई एड ऑन। ठीक है।
Okay. Hi. Actually, this is ये एक Mahindra CJ500 है। इसमें Mahindra DI Thar का इंजन है, तो 2500 cc DI Thar का इंजन। It's a DI turbo engine.
ओके
And I have upgraded it with it has got an upgraded turbo from a Mahindra Scorpio.
Okay.
Scorpio 2.6 इंजन का टर्बो है इसमें।
ठीक है।
और नोसिल्स भी चेंज किया है मैंने, पूरा
ठीक है।
नोसिल्स कुमिंस
तो एक बार हम लोग दिखाए आगे।
Sure.
बिल्कुल, एक बार लोगों को जो है वो
Nothing you can see. It's just a DI turbo engine.
Okay.
But we have some modes. Actually, in a DI turbo, the turbo line, the DI turbo engine as such doesn't have a intercooler line.
ओके
So all because of the added boost and all, to make it even run smoother and don't go overheated.
Okay.
I have added an intercooler from a Scorpio. It's here.
Okay.
This is the intercooler from Scorpio.
Perfect.
And I have added extra 2 fans to make it cool.
Okay.
That's it.
Nothing else.
Not just to overheat. That's
Okay,
it.
okay, perfect.
So means it will be taken to all the extremes. We are pushing it to all the extremes, right? In the
Very
tracks, we need more power. So we have to push it.
परफेक्ट। सो ये तो हो गया हमारा इंजन के बारे में बात।
वही।
अब इसके बाद जैसे ऑफ रोडिंग कार एक तैयार होती है, बिल्ड होता है, तो उसमें कहते हैं कि पावर रेशियो का जो है
Power
एक
to
रोल
weight
बहुत बड़ा
ratio।
होता है।
वही।
तो कैसे आपने उसको जो है मेंटेन कर रखा है?
पावर टू वेट रेशियो मैंने मेंटेन किया है कि सब लोग स्कॉर्पियो इंजन जाता है इधर। एवरीबडी इज गोइंग फॉर SC प्लस, the SC plus that came in 2004
2004 राइट
everybody go for Scorpio engine for competition jeeps.
राइट
That engine is around 40 kilo heavier than this engine. This
Okay.
is DI turbo that came in DI Thar and pickup,
Right,
Mahindra Bolero
right.
pickup. So I went for this thing, and this is churning out the maximum power.
ओके
Means what it can give is taken out.
वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस।
So to reduce the weight, I have gone for DI turbo.
ओके
Then it has got a KMT90 gearbox that
Okay.
came in 540. It's a
540.
4-speed gearbox. That is the most reliable gearbox of Mahindra.
अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी 3 स्पीड।
Earlier, CJ500 in the factory fitted one was a 3-speed.
3 speed राइट।
Yeah.
ओके
It is a 94 Jeep.
Okay.
It had a 3-speed. Now it has got a 4-speed gearbox.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द टायर्स एंड सस्पेंशन
Tires
एंड
and suspension. The tires and suspension thing, everything is molded for competition purposes.
Okay.
Actually, it has got bigger leaf springs, wider leaf springs
Okay.
from Bolero or Mahindra Thar DI.
Right.
It's the same of front leaf springs of Thar DI.
ओके
And I have done a reverse shackle setup. Actually, the shackles there, right?
Okay.
These shackles come in the front. वो आगे आता है.
ठीक है
Means मैंने वो पीछे किया है.
ठीक है। क्या
Just
रीजन
to-
है उसका?
Reason, if you are going through rocky sessions and all, if
Okay.
you go and hit with the shackles,
ठीक है।
the leaf will go back and it will
Okay.
get cut.
कट राइट।
The
तो आपने
rear part
उसमें
will be-
जब वो उल्टा लगा दिया तो नहीं
उल्टा
होगा?
लगा तो nothing will happen. Even if this hit, that the chassis absorbs the shock.
Very nice. We
That's
have the lighting also.
yeah.
A good lighting setup which we already need.
That
Need
is all
also.
custom made just
Okay.
for the looks.
That's how it looks.
And
Okay.
it also performs good.
And we have the
Winches
winches
come up
also.
winch.
That is very needed in off-roading.
Yeah,
of course.
sure.
You need to take care of other cars also.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We have to take care. Even if my vehicle, my support vehicle is stuck, I have to take it out, right?
Very nice.
So I'll be taking. I need a winch.
So do we need any interior or something for a off-roading car?
For the off-roading cars, I have got a lot of things inside my Jeep.
Okay.
I'll show you one by one.
Okay.
First thing, I have changed the steering setup.
It looks
for,
very nice.
for the easy handling.
And,
this
they-
comes from the JCB.
JCB.
This
We
is
have,
a
we
JCB
have the steering of JCB.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have the steering of JCB.
Very nice.
And the next things, I have fiddle brakes.
Okay.
Fiddle brakes, I have I told you earlier,
Oh,
right?
yeah, right.
What it is.
What it
So
is.
I have the control switches of the fiddle brakes here.
Okay.
वो fiddle brake वाला switch इधर है. ये left का brake है और ये right वाला.
ठीक है.
I control it here in the gears.
Very nice.
So and this one is the air compressor switch. I have an air compressor.
Okay.
Which my all setup, the lockers and the fiddle brakes are working on air.
Okay.
So for that I have an air compressor here. It works here. See, it's here.
So when you need air, you just have to
I
open-
just have to switch it on.
Right,
I
right.
need some 100 psi air
Okay.
to work the fiddle brake.
And how the people react near to you about looking at your car? They are really like passionate about it, or they say, "What are you doing here?"
Yeah,
what
it
they
was,
actually say?
Earlier it was like that.
Okay.
Once this is all shit and all.
Okay.
But right now, all because we get into the podium very often.
Okay.
And so recently, in the recent times, we raised our own standards.
Okay.
We started participating decently. We started building our rigs and all.
Very.
So right now, we are on the podium. Actually, this is my teammate. He's my co-driver.
Okay.
After him joining my team,
Okay.
we have hit almost everything, almost all the
So
tracks.
maybe he's the good luck,
Yeah,
and
he's
you
my
are the good driver.
I think he's my
That,
good
that makes a good combination out of it. Yeah,
that's it,
of course. Okay, so this is all about the car, I guess. This car is
So
again.
it has
This,
got competition tires too.
Okay.
It has got competition tires. And the suspension thing, the shock absorbers are from Ironman and all.
okay.
And that's it. It was built by a friend of ours
Okay.
who also he owns a workshop and he is also a competitor. So he knows what all we need. So he got it built for me.
वेरी नाइस. तो देखो मैंने अपने आप इस गाड़ी के अंदर बैठा तो मैं वो ऐसे टर्निंग वाले में नहीं बैठ सकता था क्योंकि मैं टर्निंग वाले में कहीं बाहर गिर जाता तो दिक्कत हो जाती. लेकिन अगेन इट वाज अ सुपर फन विद दिस कार एंड अगेन whosoever is watching this video, again we need to support the off-roading thing.
Definitely.
Again we want
It's
to
a
be part
sport,
of it.
it's a off-roading sport in the motorsport.
People think that whosoever is doing off-roading they'll die.
Yeah, there's
it's-
nothing like that.
it's
There's
nothing like that.
We are safe from our side.
Yeah.
We have the roll cages. We have the seat belts.
Right.
For competing inside for a competition, the basic rule will be we should have a roll cage.
Okay.
A 3-point seat belt minimum.
Okay.
Means they recommend 5-point seat belts, but minimum we should have a 3-point seat belt.
Correct.
The helmets.
Okay.
And all. Means we are safe inside the car. We won't go outside.
So please stop predicting things and support off-roading. Okay. So
And this is my team.
this is our team up.
Yeah,
So
this is my team.
can you say his name and shout a little bit? Yeah. Come on.
No, we are Team Colossus. My Jeep's name is Team Colossus.
You'll say that in 3, 2, 1. Come on, say it. Again, we'll do it. In 3, 2, 1, go. Team Colossus. Okay, we need more power. Okay, again, last time we'll again do it. You can also join them. There's no issue. You can come along. Yeah, you guys can also come along. Okay, so we'll do it again. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Team Colossus.
That's how the power looks like. Good. अच्छा था. तुम्हें बोलना है. ठीक है. So ये वाला तो हमारा जो है आप लोगों को मैंने पूरा जीप वाला मेन चीज़ बताया. And again जैसा आप लोगों को मैंने हमेशा बोला, passion never stops. और पैशन है तो अपने आप सब चीज़ों का जुगाड़ हो जाता है लाइफ में. ठीक है. सो अपनी जो दूसरी गाड़ी है वो है फॉर्च्यूनर.
Yeah, this is my friend's car.
okay.
He's also a doctor.
Okay.
He is with me since I started off-roading.
Okay.
He used to.
So
support me
he's in the backup team or what?
He's in my backup team.
Okay. So the backup people are the most important
They
people
are the most
because they
important
keep
guys.
on
Yeah.
saying you करना भाई.
Yeah, that's it.
तुम ही जीतोगे.
They
तुम ही जीतोगे.
support me always in the track.
Very nice. Again your name.
Clint.
So मैं क्यों बार बार नाम पूछता हूँ क्योंकि होता है क्या कभी कोई वीडियो ना आगे बढ़ा के देखता है तो वो नाम भूल जाता है. सो फॉर दैट रीजन मैं एक बारी बोलता हूँ कि भाई नाम बताओ एक बारी. ठीक है. सो व्हाट ऑल मॉडेड या कैसा मतलब कैसे इसको प्रिपेयर करा रखा है क्योंकि ऐसे ही रोड में मैं अपनी फॉर्च्यूनर लेके नहीं आ
Actually,
सकता.
I just got my Ironman suspension from.
Okay. So we have the Ironman suspension. So after putting the Ironman suspension, it becomes stiff.
Yeah.
It becomes stiff, right?
No, actually, we do have different setups for the Ironman.
Okay.
Whatever we need, we get it from them. Actually, this is more of.
Is it a Bangalore company or somewhere?
No, actually, Ironman is an Australian company.
Achha, Australian company,
Yeah.
but somebody from the Bangalore.
Somebody from Bangalore, Zachary,
is dealing in
yeah,
there, huh? Okay.
he's the guy. They are the guys.
So I also own a Gypsy. I used to
6
own a
Mile
Gypsy.
Customs. 6 Mile Customs are the
Okay.
dealers for
Okay,
all
okay.
Ironman
Perfect,
in
perfect,
India.
perfect.
They
So-
import Ironman here.
So
So this thing has got the highest of setup in Ironman. This is a Form Cell Pro.
Okay.
This is a military grade suspension.
Okay.
That they offer in India. Actually,
nice.
and this is the best what Fortuner can get in India. So we have gone for that.
Okay.
And we have upgraded the wheels.
okay, what size is it?
This is 17 inch. Actually, it comes with 18 inches.
Okay.
But the 18 inch tire size availability
It's
a
very-
tough, it's a very tough.
And again, you'll
tough
get a Chinese tire.
yeah, that too. It's too tough to get 18 inch tires. So we went for a downsizing of wheel. We went for 17 inch wheels. Right now we are running on JK tire, JK Ranger MTs.
Okay.
Earlier it was on BF Goodrich.
So are the empty tires are better or the all-terrain tires?
All-terrain tires are always better.
Always better than the
for-
empty also?
No, not for off-roading. For the slushy things and
Yeah.
all, MT is always best. Always the best.
Okay.
But the 90% of the time, this car is running on the road only, right? So it will be better to go for all-terrain tires. For our next set, we will be going for a BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. That is already planned.
वेरी नाइस. सो आप लोगों ने जीप का सुना, देन हमने फॉर्च्यूनर की बात किया. सो अब हम लोग बात करने वाले स्कॉर्पियो के बारे में.
Yeah, definitely.
ओनली जिसको हम लोग ओनली वन इन इंडिया बोल सकते हैं.
No, not like that. Only one
Engine का- engine के
only
wise?
one in engine wise. Many have done the M-Hawk engine.
बट यूट्यूब में आया क्या?
नहीं नहीं
नहीं आया तो ओनली वन हो गया. जब तक YouTube में नहीं आया तब तक ओनली वन है वो. जब तक YouTube में नहीं आया. तो दिस कार लुक समथिंग जो मतलब जो मैं कहूँगा एक पैशनेट लोग जो होते हैं जिनको पैशन होता है कि भाई मेरे को अपनी स्कॉर्पियो रखनी है. अगेन इस गाड़ियों के साथ क्या होता था 100 के बाद ये कांपती थी. नॉर्मली जो रोड्स के अंदर जो रिस्पॉन्स होता था कि ये कांपती थी. लेकिन अगेन लुकिंग एट दिस कार. और ये कौन सा ईयर का कार होगा?
2009. He is the owner of the car.
Okay.
He is also part of the team.
Okay.
He is also from Team Colossus.
Again I would like to ask your name.
Benzi, Amir Benzi.
Okay, so whosoever watching this video बीच में से मत देखना, स्टार्टिंग से देखा करो. बार-बार नाम पूछना पड़ता है हमको, ठीक है? So what about the mods? What about this car? How the thing is going on?
No, actually, this was a two-wheel drive one,
Okay.
which I took in 2009. But when I joined the Team Colossus, I would like to change into four-wheel drive.
Okay.
Actually, I can go for a four-wheel drive. I can buy one, but I prefer to change the two-wheel drive into four-wheel drive, which is very not common.
Okay.
So I consulted with my friend. He's an off-roader, as you told earlier.
Okay.
So he just let me the things. He only go and bought all the things for which is needed for the conversion.
So you are the main ignition for everybody, huh?
Definitely,
For the off-roading, you are the main ignition, huh? Totally understand it, ना? है ना? ऐसा है ना? ठीक है, ठीक है. Very nice, very nice.
I'll
We need
tell-
one guy for everything, यार.
He's the inspiration.
Very nice,
He's
very
the
nice.
inspiration.
And most probably, as you invited us right now for the monsoon also, we'll be for
You
sure.
you have to come. You have
Yeah.
to come.
come
You have
on
to
the
come.
We'll
down
not be
during the
coming by
monsoon.
car this time.
Definitely
So
we
we'll
have
be
to
coming
take
by
an
flight.
experience.
Yeah. But for sure we'll be joining because it's a lifetime achievement which we'll do because
You
फिर
guys
बुड्ढे
have to come down.
फिर
You
बुड्ढे
guys
होने के बाद कमर टूट जाता है अगर ये सब काम करोगे तो इसलिए अभी जितना जल्दी हो सके वो कर सकते हैं. So about the tires, एक बार टायर्स के बारे में you tell me what size you are using
They
right
are
now.
MRF MT tires.
Okay.
That is 31 10.5 section. It comes around 265. That comes in the stock in Pajero and all, right?
Okay.
That is 31 10.5 15 size MRF MT tires.
Okay.
These are the only MT tires that MRF manufactures.
Okay.
On the Indian company, right?
Okay.
And this Jeep, this Scorpio we have gone for a solid axle in the front
Okay.
with the leaf spring setup.
Okay.
Scorpio doesn't come with leaf springs.
Okay. देख लो आप लोग.
This is the only M-Hawk as far as I believe with a solid axle setup in the front. Only M-Hawk Scorpio with a solid axle setup in the front.
Very
And
nice. So
we have a NGT 530 gearbox that comes in the Thar, which is mated to this engine, and it's good. It works really good. It's not actually usually when you convert a independent suspension to a solid axle one, the ride comfort totally loses.
Okay.
Actually, just to know that, just ask him. He's saying that it is as such when it was in the IFS setup.
okay.
So nothing he has not
Felt anything.
He has not compromised anything on the comfort side.
वेरी नाइस. सो आप लोगों को पहला जीप का पता चला, दूसरा फॉर्च्यूनर, थर्ड वाज स्कॉर्पियो. एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट जो आपका पूरा ये स्टेट है, यहाँ पर सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या है जो आप कर सकते हो फ्री होके? सोच के बताओ. व्हाट यू कैन डू फ्रीली इन दिस योर लैंड?
In our land.
या
In
इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशियल क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग यू.
In our land, the police side is tough for us people.
ओके.
Even for us, always the motor vehicles department they chase us.
ओके.
They come behind us.
ओके.
So we are like thieves for them. We have to take it on our private estates only.
Okay.
And the direct things are also banned. Nothing is running here.
इन
दारू होगा इधर.
हाँ दारू. चलो ठीक है, इसको हम लोग कट कर देंगे, कोई बात नहीं, ये वाला चीज नहीं बताना. ठीक है guys. तो देखो अब ये तो मैंने आप लोगों को.
So we have to tell you that from where all this works has done.
Okay.
This
I told you right.
We'll discuss about it for sure. We are not ending video here. So we'll have a word about it because क्योंकि अब इतना दूर आए तो कुछ तो बात करके जाएंगे. ठीक है ना? So मैं इस वाले कैमरे से एंड कर रहा हूँ. We'll start with that camera. Hey YouTube, so it's time कि वीडियो को जो है एंड कर दिया जाए. अगेन मन नहीं है एंड करने का, लेकिन स्टिल जो है हम लोगों को वीडियो को एंड इसी पार्ट में करना पड़ेगा. सो आज मैंने आप लोगों को जो गाड़ियाँ दिखाई, जीप, आप लोगों का स्कॉर्पियो एंड फॉर्च्यूनर. अगर आपने पीछे की तरफ देखोगे, अगर थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ जाओ, उधर उस तरफ पीछे
दिख रही है.
अरे बोला नहीं, उधर पीछे.
अच्छा ओके.
So we have the Thar also. So how was it यार? कैसा लगा? मतलब how you feel? In any language you can speak now. How you feel?
It was good. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed talking to you guys.
चलो अब मन रखने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे. They are saying it भाई अच्छी तरीके से बता रहे हैं. ठीक है. So it was a super fun. अगर आप में से कोई बताना चाहता है कि ये सारा कस्टमाइजेशन कहाँ हुआ तो प्लीज उसके बारे में आप बताइए.
Actually, we did it from a guy who is the only one currently in Kerala who can do it like this.
Okay.
It is a teammate of ours.
Okay.
He used to come for off-roading. He is a competitor of our team, and his name is Vibin Varghese, and he runs a garage called MB Garage in Wayanad. Wayanad is the hill station in Kerala.
Okay.
To the north of Kerala. He runs his garage there.
So अगर हमें कभी मौका मिला तो ज़रूर जाके
Definitely you have to go there. It's
Perfect,
a small
perfect.
garage, but he does a lot of things. He does a lot of big things.
वेरी नाइस सो आप लोगों ने पूरा देखा कि थंबनेल के लिए आज सबने इतना मेहनत किया एवरीबॉडी वाज डूइंग अ वेरी वंडरफुल जॉब आवर बेस्ट विशेस कि
Thank you.
आगे भी जो है ऐसे फर्स्ट
Sure,
हमारे उसमें फर्स्ट आना है आपने
Sure.
है ना
We'll be there for RFC. If you can come down till by July 24th to Goa, we'll be there. We'll be
for
there
sure
with a new
for
monster.
sure we'll be trying that because we love motorsport and when our known people are going there so it will be a
And
perfect
you guys have to come actually this year. We are having more technical builds, more more powerful builds, and one of our build is coming down from Sarblo Motors, Punjab.
okay
It will be transported by day after tomorrow from there in Punjab.
okay
And we'll be getting here before 9th. I will be going in for the next event with that car.
so it's a best wishes और जितने भी है विशाल वरुण आ जाओ भाई
Bye,
आ जाओ ठीक है so best of luck है so we'll clap for them यार they are doing a really wonderful job and it's a very nice privilege to be here and it was a very nice moment so with this said guys आप लोगों को अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट
Sure.
एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर सब्सक्राइब या ऑलवेज सब्सक्राइब एंड अगर मुसाफिर की इस वीडियो को ऐसे ही आप लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हो और सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है तो आगे वाली सीरीज भी एंजॉय करो वरुण भाई इज विद अस तो हमें वरुण भाई जो है वो अच्छी चीज़ें ऐसे दिखाते रहते हैं ठीक है सो विद दिस साइड गाइस करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को एंड सो टिल देन कीप वाचिंग जब हम लोग बाय बाय बोलते हैं तो वी डू इट लाइक दिस ओके सो लास्ट में हम लोग करते हैं सो टिल देन कीप वाचिंग एंड
Bye.
So guys, we are done with the shoot and it was a super fun and still thumbnail और सब चीज़ों का sort out हो गया नहीं मैं ठीक है मैंने फोटो बहुत सारे ले लिए अपने नहीं हो गया इधर आप पहले ये बताओ व्हाट इज दिस
ये दैट इज रबर का ग्लू इससे रबर बनता है
देखो भाई और जैसा पता चला है कि सुबह 5:30 बजे से मतलब
ये एक्चुअली क्या होता है ये जब अर्ली मॉर्निंग होती है जब ठंड होती है तभी निकल सकता है वरना जैसे जैसे लाइक धूप पड़ती रहती है टाइट होता रहता है फिर ये नहीं निकल सकता इसलिए अर्ली मॉर्निंग
तो अभी ये खराब हो चुका क्या है
ये खराब हो चुका है इतना पोर्शन खराब हो गया अब जब कल सुबह फ्रेश निकलेगा देन इट विल बी अ गुड पार्ट
सो गाइज हम लोग जो है अब निकल चुके हैं त्रिशूर के लिए और अभी हम लोग पहले कहाँ जा रहे हैं पहले कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई
त्रिशूर ही जा रहे हैं।
नहीं उससे पहले कहाँ बताया हुआ कुछ जगह ना
ओटापलम
ओटापुलम है
ओट्टापलम
भाई नाम ऐसे है ना पहले इनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़े लिख के सुन के
तो अभी हम लोग ऑन द वे है त्रिशूर पहुंचते हैं फिर आप लोगों से और बात करेंगे
ओनली 9 to 5 चलेगा इसे
ये देख रहा है कि इसमें कितना मीठा है तो ये जिंदगी जो है जिम वालों की है सो वी हैव रीच्ड त्रिशूर एंड दिस इज द पार्क रेजिडेंसी दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स और जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है उन लोगों को मैं बताना चाहूँगा दिस वीडियो इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय www.bootmo.com और ये है आपके स्पेयर पार्ट एक्सपर्ट दे आर द बेस्ट पीपल सो अगर आपको स्पेयर पार्ट खरीदना है ऐप डाउनलोड करो ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट में जाओ बाय देम तो गाइज हमारे इस वाले रूम का जो आप अगर साइज़ देखोगे सो इट इज़ रियली ह्यूज बहुत बड़ा रूम है ये यहाँ पर ये चाहते तो कुछ और बना भी सकते थे भाई मतलब सोफ़ा वोफ़ा का इधर भी कुछ बना सकते थे टीवी बहुत छोटा है रूम के अकॉर्डिंग लेकिन स्टिल इज इट्स गुड और शीशा जो है वो यहाँ लगा हुआ है ठीक है भाई लगे जाना स्टार्ट हो गया सिटिंग थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर है एंड अबाउट दी वॉशरूम वॉशरूम भी बहुत ह्यूज है और इस जगह को छोड़ के थोड़ा और बढ़ा देते हैं तो वॉशरूम भी बड़ा हो जाता है